Hello everyone, today we have new video review, and as you can see, this time we are going to talk about fresh release from Eduard. It's actually a brushing series add-on for Arma Hobby kit in 1/72nd scale. So as you remember, Polish manufacturer released their Ki-84 aircraft model, but there is always a space for some upgrades, and this kit actually tackles the pilot seat. So you can see here it's written print series, so it means this part was 3D printed, and we have a commercial sample here, so it means you will get exactly the same stuff as what you'll see in this video review. So first of all, I have to note that the packaging here is standard. We have the clear transparent plastic bag with cardboard inside, and we can see the seat itself, but obviously we'll open it to take a closer look. And here on the rear side you will find the address of the manufacturer, as well as some advices on how to work with resin parts. And by the way, here is the price tag, 595 euros. So as I said, it's a resealable plastic bag. It's easy to open. I will remove this plastic case, and I have to say the separate word about this plastic casing. So Eduard started doing it relatively recently, but in my opinion this is really great thing in order to preserve the resin parts, which are usually quite tender and tiny, and this pilot seat is a perfect example. As you can see, it fits on my thumb and it's really tiny, and I have to bring it closer so that you understand what I'm talking about. But you can see it's in this hard plastic case, that's why it arrived undamaged. And now I'm going to open it. And here is another trick. So this part is actually glued in place with help of this sticker, so it doesn't fly around in the box, and that's why it actually arrives to you intact. And note the features here. So it's a 1/72nd scale part, and still a lot of features is kept copied out of the box. In my opinion, this is really impressive, and this is something what you cannot achieve even with the resin casting, not to mention the plastic parts. So this is the 3D printed part, but there is also another important addition in my opinion, because we have the steel belts supplied as well. They're as tiny as the seat obviously, so here you can see them. And just to remind you, the steel belts are really thin, so that's why it's easier to bend them around the seat, and I think it's even more important in such small scales because it will look more natural looking. And now we zoom out a bit, we close the lenses. Here we have the assembly manual, so this one is printed in a typical Eduard format, and it was also serving as a box art. And if I open it, here inside you will find the installation guide. So it's quite simple. It's more related to the seat belts, because the seat goes onto the original cockpit parts. It's just straight in installation. And here you can see also the colors chart. As far as you can see, there are no colors mentioned, surprisingly, even though obviously you have to use the standard Japanese cockpit colors for this pilot seat, and maybe it would be a wise idea to copy some weathering, because here on these features it will look nice. And this set should be already available together with other add-ons which we reviewed on our YouTube channel, so you can find it easily by checking our YouTube channel obviously. And of course, I will be happy to hear your opinion about such a release. Do not forget to write it here in the comment section below. If you like this video, press the like button, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and I will see you in the next video review as usual. Thank you for joining me today, and bye.